Is Windows failing to load because of the Wscript host library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. While preparing the manual steps for Wscript host library, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Wscript host library, the Microsoft Wscript host execution library. It manages the parsing and execution of VBScript and JScript files, VBS.js. It is a core system component. If missing, administrative scripts and many legacy software installers will fail to execute, reporting the Wscript host is missing or corrupted during the setup process. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. This error typically indicates corruption within the Windows system core. I recommend launching command prompt with administrative rights and running sfc/scan now to automatically replace missing or compromised files, such as Wscript host library DLL. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Wscript host library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Wscript host library DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for Wscript host library. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Wscript host library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.